Hello everyone, class 10. This is Rashid Khan, your chemistry teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10th, as we have already discussed about the chapter number 1, the sum reference. So today we will have to carry forward into the chapter number 1 from the next topic, and the next topic is given as the chemical equations. What are these chemical equations? What do you mean by chemical equations? So in a very simple way we can say that chemical equation is the expression of the chemical reactions, or we can say how the chemical get reacted to one another, how the chemical react to one another, and how they combine. The way by which they can be represented, or the way of expression of a chemical reaction, is said to be what? The chemical equations. Why it is called equations? Why? Because it is the mean by which any chemical represented by either the combining or they are interacted to one another. That is why it is known as chemical equations. Why? Because the chemical equations important. Chemical equation is a very important, because suppose any person said to be, if the carbon dioxide reacted with the hydrochloric acid, what will be the form? So it will be in a word formulate, or into the it is a statement. It is a statement, but when it is expressed, so it has to be expressed in chemical symbols, and these chemical symbols are of different kinds, and it has to be expressed or represented. So why we can say it is very important to express about the chemical reactions. Suppose in a chemical equations, how they can be written? As I earlier told you about an example, that is carbon dioxide. So it will be written like this: carbon dioxide when reacted with hydrochloric acid, what will be the form? So here is CCl4 plus, it will be formed CCl4 plus H2, and how it will be? Carbon dioxide reacted with the chlorine, oxygen reacted with the hydrogen, and simply the carbon having its valency 4, chlorine having its valency 1, so they can cross multiply, and then it will be formed CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. These carbon tetrachloride are formed, and hence the remaining portion of this particular substance are the chemical substances, are the compound. Then there is a carbon get reacted with the chlorine. Now hydrogen and oxygen remain. So oxygen having 2 and hydrogen having 1 valencies. So it should be written H2O. So we'll have to write H2O. Now the term, how we'll have to explain about? How can we explain? It can be explained, simply explained by the total number of carbon is 1. Here is 1. Here is also 1. Total number of chlorine is 4, but here is the number of chlorine is 1. So it has to be written like this. 4 number of chlorine. When we have to write 4 number of chlorine, here is increment about the hydrogen as well. When we try to multiply, there will be the number of hydrogen also increases, as well as the chlorine increases. So we'll have to balance these hydrogen, and here is H2, so it has to be written like this, 2H2. Now it is 2 into 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4. So here is the 4 hydrogen, here is 4 hydrogen, here is 4 chlorine, here is a 4 chlorine. But here is oxygen, here is also oxygen, oxygen is about 2, and here is oxygen, 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Now it is this chemical equation is a balanced equation. It is written like this in the form of a balanced equations. So what we can say about that, the chemical equations? Chemical equation is the presentation. Chemical equation is what? Chemical equation is the presentation or expression about. It is the chemical equation. It is the representation or explanation about that. The chemical changes, about the chemical changes in terms of their symbols and the chemical formula of reactant as well as product. What we can say? The chemical equation is the expression of chemical changes, whatever the chemical changes after doing this. That means if there is a chemical change takes place, there will be a new substance formed and the symbol must be written. There is a chemical reactions happen. So that it is the expression, of the chemical equation is the expression of chemical changes in terms of their symbols. These are the symbols. What are these? These are the symbols. Chemical symbols and as well as the chemical changes of about reactant as well as product. What we can say? The chemical equation is the equation or it is the representation or expression of about what? Expression of the chemical changes in terms of chemical symbols and the chemical reactions. Chemical reactions of about reactant and product. This is what we can say chemical equations. Let's have this next chemical equations. Here is H2O, water and carbon dioxide. When they are react to one another, they will have to be formed H2CO3. H2CO3. So in which there is hydrogen. Hydrogen has its symbol about H. Oxygen having symbol about O. C has the symbol of carbon. H, it is the symbol of hydrogen. C, it is a symbol of carbon. O, it is a symbol of oxygen. So first of all, if any chemical equation, the chemical changes takes place. In terms of symbols, and the symbols of about reacting as well as product. It is a reactant and that one is product. So we can say it is the expression or it is the representation of chemical changes in terms of the chemical symbols as well as chemical symbols of about the reactant as well as the product. In terms, what we can say, it is the chemical equation. It is another chemical equation, we can prove it. Now here is the next chemical equation. We will write that CaCO3. It is a calcium carbonate. It is a calcium carbonate. It is a calcium carbonate. Then it can be break down into CaO plus O2 and CO2. Calcium carbonate. It is what? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate get decomposed into or get break down into calcium oxide. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It can to break down into the two different form, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is another way by solving about the any chemical equations too. So into the previous example of about the chemical equation, there they are the symbols or you can say the elements or the compounds, they can combine to each other and form a new product. And here is already a new product. Here is already compound is in case of a reactant. It has to be break down into the two different and distinct type of a product. These are the different form in which they can be written. So the chemical equations can be written into the different forms. How we can say there are the different type or many type of a chemical reactions. What are these different kinds of a chemical reactions which has to be shown by the chemical equations? It may be represented. You have know about the symbols and the formula. So you can write a chemical equation using that, like K2SO4 plus NaCl. So how it can be written? If you know about that the formula of any compound and the symbol, so it has to be written into the left side of an arrow. This is the arrow. Before the arrow or to the left side of the arrow, it has to be written in the form of reactant. And when they are react together, they will form or they will produce a new product that is called as product. What will be the product here? We can write down like KCl plus Na2SO4. What it is? KCl plus Na2SO4. Here is SO4 and there is SO4 too, but here is 2 Na. Na2 or 2 Na, so we have to write 2 Na. And here is K2, so you have to write 2K. 2K and K2 is equal, and Cl is Cl here 2Cl. So it is the balanced formula as well, and we have to write in the that way. So you will have to know about before the arrow into the left side, you can say, as I am here. So before the arrow there is a reactant, and after the arrow there is a product. So for written any chemical equation, we have to know about what is actual the reactant and what will be the product. We have to go through a sum of the compound that has to be reacted to one another. Why? Because it is called as a reactant. When they react to one another, there will be the certain a new substance is formed. So the new substance is written to be after the arrow into the right side of an equation. So it is about the chemical equation we have to write in the such manner. Is it okay? So for today it is complete. We will talk about to the next day. Thank you for being here.